Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm MJ and this is Keeping Up with MJ. So today's video is about hair. All about hair. I'm going to be doing a mini tutorial showing you how you can achieve these knotless jumbo braids, and I'm going to be just sharing some inspirational hairstyles for you that you can do with your natural hair. I mean, we're all at home right now, we're quarantined, our hair is a mess. Why not figure out some new, cool, protective, dope, stylish hairstyles to do on your own. This is the 84-inch Expressions hair. It comes with 3 in a pack. Here I'm just dividing it into little pieces. Okay guys, so this is the part that I'm going to be doing. What you're gonna need is this Shine and Jam conditioning gel. It's extra hold. I'm gonna have a picture of it, a better picture of it. So you're gonna put that at the roots, and you're gonna also be dipping into this while you're gonna be braiding. First, I'm applying the gel to the back, and then I'm just gonna comb it upward, and then I'm just gonna do my 3-strand plait. Just a normal 3-strand plait is all you do. Nothing special, nothing crazy. You want it to look as natural as possible. And I'm also not gonna braid all the way down, just to about the middle of the plait. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this about 3 times in this video. So you're going to take your hair and you're going to put it below the plait. So you see me putting it below, and then I'm just going to continue braiding down my plait like a normal plait. So you put it underneath and then you just keep plaiting like normal. Okay, here goes the second time. I need to add some hair because the 3rd strand of hair does not have the long extensions on it. So I'm putting it underneath like I did the first time, and I'm just wrapping it around and braiding my hair like I would normally do. I can do it a little bit easier. Okay, so this is my 3rd attempt to show you guys how to do this. I'm putting the hair behind, and then I'm going to continue plaiting my hair like a normal plait. So hopefully you guys get the gist of what I'm trying to show you here. The knotless is just basically putting the extensions in your hair to make it look like it's yours. So look at it, you just want to make sure that everything is nice and neat. So I'm just going to speed up this part because I'm just braiding the hair down and just giving you guys a different angle of the braid so you can see the back. Again, I'm just braiding the hair down because this braid is super long. Okay, so I figured out how the Africans do it, guys. So you take a little piece of the hair and you wrap it around the braid so that you can do a little knot. Therefore, this will help your braid not to unravel when you're dipping it in the hot water. Finished product of this braid. It's really hard to do the back, but I did my best. I should have probably did one in the front. It would have probably been easier for me to show you guys, but I did the one at the back because that one needed to be redone because that was the first one I actually tried doing. So yeah, but I'm gonna give you guys a closer look at how they are. It has the knotless effect. I'm still perfecting it, but I think I did pretty good for the first try. What do you guys think? I won't show you guys the back because my parts aren't straight and I don't want to be judged, but I think I did a pretty good job. On the screen right now, I'm going to show you guys some other protective hairstyles that you can do. So I get bored with my hair really easily, so I always try like a bunch of different hairstyles here and there. So I'm known for doing the top bun. I'm known for doing the low bun with the middle part with a bun at the back, or I add my hair extensions, which is Marley hair that I make into a ponytail, and it comes out so well. Like, I'm gonna show you guys a little video right now. And these are just some other hairstyles that I like to do with my natural hair, and you might like them too, so stay tuned as I just show you guys those photos. I hope that you guys enjoyed those videos. Those were just some protective hairstyles that I like to do with my natural hair because I get so bored so fast, and switching up my hairdos, I don't know, it's kind of therapeutic to me. So my big announcement is that I finally reached 500 subscribers. Thank you to everyone who subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate the support, the love, and the comments. I work really hard on creating these videos. It's also stepping out of my comfort zone a little bit, being in front of the camera, but I'm trying my best and I'm doing all that I can do to help you guys out. The next goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers. That's my next goal. So it's only up from here right now. So I hope you guys continue to follow along my journey. And be sure to subscribe if you haven't, if you're new here. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. See you next time.